Itina wa Minista Muveni wa Kinandu Silikalini ya Kaunti ya Masaku Onesmus Muia Kuyu Kuema Kuvika Mbungeni ya Kaunti ya Masaku Kusungia Mokulyo Mekivathukanio Kukonia Uthukumi wa Muvea usu Mbunge Niyanunenga Nginya Wakwambiliilya Avike Mbee Wayo Vate Kutia ni Kana Kusungia Mokulyo ala Mbunge ino Namo kuyanana na ma-MCA Mbungeni ino ni Kana maendeye na kuosa matambia kuikithia Uthukumi ni wavikia enendi kuyanana na moloto wa gavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Mwandu wa Vinya Ndeti Daniel Mwangala nuko tueleza.
Ma-MCA ni muonania kwema kuyanikuo na kuthata itina wa Minister Muveni wa Kinandu Onesmus Muia Kuyu Kuema Kuvika na kutuma barua wa kuonania kana muwau.
Madam Speaker, this house will never be treated like a lower house. These honorable members will not be treated like men in the streets. They were brought here by people of integrity. They are men of women of integrity in this house, Madam Speaker. We will not allow this house to be misused any further. Any officer who was vetted by this house must be answerable to this house, because this is where the sovereignty of the people of Machakos County lies.
I want to ask you this. Yesterday, as early as from 9 a.m., he was meeting all the revenue officers of the county. After that, he went to a church where Wamunyoro was. After that, he was singing in the street of Machakos town. When did he fall sick?
Here we are at work, and when it's matters of work, there is no friendship. Madam Speaker, I'll finish by saying that his action of not showing up in this House committee is a confirmation of what the Finance Committee has been saying.
Uovo ni maelezeka na itambi akumuita Mbungeni ni akutethesya maundu ma Uthukumi ende tia kumusukuma mundu mbene na Mekivathukanio cia kimbene.
It is high time that we serve our people of Machakos with diligence and commitment. And there is any officer who feels that is tired, please, you can just leave. Our Honorable Excellency Governor will appoint another member, competent, and we will vet him or her in this house and have the job done.
Yesterday, pastors prayed for him. And again he was with Wamunyoro, doing a lot of praises. And we cannot testify. We have seen some in Facebook, the minister contributing. But an interval of less than 6 hours, cannot honor the invitation of this assembly. This is a joke.
Hiyo mambo yote ambayo inafanyika county. Kama kuna mtu yeyote kwa hii county ako na shida na governor, sio governor, ni Kuyu. Na mimi ningeambia governor weke chini, hatutamwandikia mtu mwingine, yeye mwenyewe atatupatia mwingine tukuje tuandike. Mtu ambaye atainua jina yake na atainua jina ya county.
Namo ndongo yala aingi Mbungeni na ala nini Judas Mbilindawa ondumwana Nicholas Nzioka ni maelezeka na tambio ano mumekwitha maose wa maofisa angi ma serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku alama te Uthukumi ndu vailite na maketha mayeto Mbee wa sikalu cia Mbunge kuelesya niki Uthukumi utaende ndu vailite.
That we will support the executive, but we will not support the executive to do the wrong thing. We will not support the executive to do the wrong thing. That is what we are saying. And we are also asking for the support of the minority to support the government to do the right thing. And when bad things are done, we want to be sober enough to call them out. To call them out in a sober way, so that we have decisions and resolutions from this house that can enhance their work and not to look like we are punishing.
No one is above the law. If one is summoned, let him or her appear. Let him give his side of story. Then, from there, the house will make a determination.
Tuminiki speaker wa Mbunge ya kaunti ya Masaku niweza kumya mwamulo Wakana Minista Muveni wa Kinandu ni walite Kuvika Mbee wa sikalo sia Mbunge Kusungia Makulyo mana yulwa Uthukumi wake kuone muviosu wa Kinandu.
They have therefore directed that the CCM Finance is ordered to appear before this House on Monday, 10th March 2025 at 10 a.m. without fail. That ruling is based on the fact that he has said he's sick.
Daniel Monkela, Mutongo TV, kuva Kaunti ya Masaku.